Hey everyone, remember that era, when phones were defined by a rugged QWERTY keyboard, and that little magical red LED light? Yes, we're talking about BlackBerry. It wasn't just a phone, it was a status symbol. But in this age of touchscreens, that magic seemed to fade away. But what if I told you that the same legend, the same feel, is coming back, but this time, packed with completely modern tech? So get ready, because BlackBerry is bringing out its new bumper device, the BlackBerry Key 5G. In today's video, we're going to uncover every secret, every feature, and the unique comeback story of this phone. So make sure you watch till the end, because this isn't just a phone review, it's a return of memories. Features of the BlackBerry Key 5G. Design and display. First up, let's talk design. At a time when all phones are starting to look the same, the BlackBerry Key 5G stands out with its iconic square design. And on top of that design sits a stunning 4.85-inch display, which this time comes with a 120Hz refresh rate. That means scrolling will be so smooth, it'll make your heart happy. And yes, that adorable notification LED light is back, the same one that used to tell you in just a blink that someone out there was thinking of you. Camera system. Now, onto the camera. BlackBerry in a high-res camera. This combo might have seemed strange before, but the Key 5G is here to change your mind. It's equipped with a powerful 110-megapixel dual camera setup that'll make every shot memorable. And for the selfie lovers, there's a 13-megapixel front camera. So, no more camera worries. Performance. When it comes to performance, this phone runs on Android, meaning you'll get full access to all your apps and games. And powering it is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which is fully prepared to handle every task and every game. Plus, it comes with 5G support, so your internet speeds will be through the roof. Battery backup. Battery life. It's a beast. You're getting a massive 6000 mAh battery that'll keep you going non-stop for 2 full days. And for fast charging, there's a USB-C port. Price and launch date. So now, the big question, what's it gonna cost? According to the information we've got, the BlackBerry Key 5G could launch in the USA for around $500, and it's expected to arrive by mid-2026. So folks, do you think BlackBerry can bring back its old magic? Will you be buying this phone? Let us know in the comments below.